Today we're gonna build blocks. I'm sure you must have done that before. Zunzalong toys. It has 43 pieces blocks. Let's open the bag. That's an elephant, giraffe, and a zebra. These are different blocks. Here are shapes and other objects. There are all sorts of blocks here to mix and match. So you can build any kind of structure you want using these blocks. There are different kinds of blocks. And different colors. That's a spade. And these are blocks of different sizes. Here are some small ones. Let's take these animals out. That's the board. Let's try building this one here. These are different blocks that we have here. And these can be used to make this. Here are the slots where we can put in the blocks, you see. Now let's get started. Let's place them here. And now we're gonna put these blocks in the slots right here. You see these knobs here? They go right in here, like this. It has 4, so the one goes right here. Another one of the same kind goes on the top. Now we have the base, and this goes right here on top of these two. Now the green one. It has the slot to go just by its side. This is a big block. Let's put it here. That's the giraffe. And let's put the giraffe right here. The giraffe is peeping out. Wow! That's a branch. It has the anchor. Let's attach it here. And that's the other end, which can go right here. That seems like a ladder. And that can go right here. You see the slot? Take the beige color then. And now we take the smaller blue and green blocks and put it on the beige one side by side. And attach the other side of the ladder on the blue one. Let's attach these two right here, like this. Now, let's put this one here. And this goes right next to it. Seems like a bunch of bananas. Now let's put this here and attach the other one to this. That's a garden fork. It goes here, another one. Let's put the block right here. And the spade goes here. That's the elephant. Let's put the elephant here. That's an axe. And let's put it on top of the elephant. This flower top goes on the top. And this purple flower goes right here. The bunch of bananas on the top of the tree. Here's a big block. Let's keep it on the side. And this one goes on top. Let's rearrange the spade. The bright pink one goes here. The zebra's here. Let's adjust them. And we have built the blocks! Yay! Wowkidz! Fun and learn! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.